students. Today we discuss new chapter, that is coordinate geometry. In class 9 we have already studied that to locate the position of a point on a plane we require a pair of coordinate axes. In coordinate geometry we discuss in class 9 how to plot a point, and plotting a point we need in a plane two coordinate axes, that is x axis and y axis. So suppose x axis x o x dash x axis, y o y dash y axis. Two axes intersect at the point O, that is origin. The coordinate of the origin 0, 0. And the two axes form four quadrant: first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. In first quadrant, points be positives, x axis positive, y axis also, y coordinate also positive. In second quadrant, minus plus. In third quadrant, minus minus, and fourth quadrant, plus minus. You mean to say, if a point 2, 3, x coordinate plus 2, y coordinate plus 3, both the point in plus sign. So this point plotting in a first quadrant. Same way, minus 2, minus 3, this point plotting on a second quadrant. Minus 2, minus 3, this point plotting on a third quadrant. 2, minus 3, this point plotting in a fourth quadrant. We already know that because we study in class 9 how to plot a point. Just revise the lesson. Again, suppose 2, 0, this point plotting on a x axis. If y 0, suppose 2, 0, the point plot here, suppose. So y 0, that means the point plot on a x axis. Suppose 0, 2, we plot here. If x 0, we see here, if x 0, then the point plot on the y axis. That means if y 0, this point plot on a x axis, there is no quadrant. If x 0, this point plot on a y axis. These points are no quadrant. So this way we discuss in class 9. Now in class 10 we will discuss how to find distance between a point from the origin. Now next, how to find distance between two points. In class 10 we discuss distance of the points from the origin or between 2 points distance. How to find the distance. So for that we need formula. Distance from origin to any point, formula be root x square plus y square. Next, distance formula. Suppose we have 2 points P x1 y1 and Q x2 y2. The distance between the 2 points be PQ is equal root x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. So in between 2 points distance we can use the formula root x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Next, from this first lesson, we need, in exercise 7.1, we need this formula: distance from origin, distance between 2 points. Next, number 3, we need, if suppose we have 3 points A, B, C. A, x1, y1, B, x2, y2, and C, x3, y3. Since the sum of any two of these distance is equal to the third distance, the points are collinear. The points are straight line. Suppose 3 points, collinear means this one, A, B, C. When if suppose AC, distance of AC is equal sum of the distance of AB plus BC is equal, then A, B, C 3 points are collinear. That is, 3 points are make a straight line. Okay? Or suppose A, C, B. If AB is equal AC plus BC. Same way, ACB is a 3 points are collinear, because according to condition, if sum of the sum of any two of this distance is equal to the third distance, the points are collinear or straight line. So we need this condition in exercise 7.1. Next, number 4, if suppose ABCD is a quadrilateral. Suppose we have 4 points. Suppose we have 4 points A, x1, y1, B, x2, y2, C, x3, y3, and D, x4, y4. These 4 points, we know that the 4 points make a quadrilateral. Now, what type of quadrilateral we need to find? Suppose 4 points are given, asked name the quadrilateral. So how to find? Suppose A, B, C, D is a quadrilateral. This quadrilateral is a rhombus, this quadrilateral is a square, or this quadrilateral is a rectangle, or this quadrilateral is a parallelogram. Name them. How to find? The condition B, if ABCD is a square, if ABCD is a square, if AB is equal, BC is equal, CD is equal, AD, and the diagonals AC and BD are equal. If in a quadrilateral all sides be equal and their quadrilateral be equal, then all sides be equal and their diagonals be equal, then this quadrilateral become a square. Again, if all sides, distance of all sides AB, BC, CD, AD are equal but diagonals are not equal, then this quadrilateral become a rhombus. Okay? Third, if ABCD is a quadrilateral, it is a parallelogram. When ABCD is a parallelogram, if opposite side AB is equal CD, AD is equal BC, and two diagonal AC not equal BD, then this quadrilateral become a parallelogram. This is parallelogram. Again, if AB is equal CD, AD is equal BC, AC diagonal is equal BD diagonal, then this quadrilateral become a rectangle. to solve the exercise 7.1. For solving exercise 7.1, then we know the formula and the properties. Okay. Now suppose we take a question. Suppose as an example, find distance from the origin to any point P 3, 4. How to find? This is the formula. Find the distance from the origin. We know that origin indicated by O, and any point that is P, root x square plus y square, root 3 square plus 4 square, 9 plus 16, 25, 5. This way we solve. Find the, suppose, origin, any point P, that is P 3, 4, distance from origin to any point P, that is 5. Okay. Now we take another question. -3, -5. Find the distance from the origin to any point, suppose A. How to find? Again, solution. OA is equal x square plus y square, x coordinate be -3, y coordinate -5, 9, 25, 34. So this way we find origin to any point distance. Now we take, this is a very important formula, distance formula. We can use many times. This formula we take many times in the exercise 7.1. If given 2 points, how to find the distance between the 2 points? So we open your book and see question number 1. Find the distance between the following pair of points. Question number 1. Let given point P 2, 3 and Q 4, 1. Let the point B. Let the point B. Point B. P 2, 3 and Q 4, 1. So here P, we take x1, y1, 2, 3, and second point Q, x2, y2, 4, 1. Using distance formula. Using distance formula. PQ is equal root x1 minus x2 whole square, y1 minus y2 whole square. x1 2 minus 4, 3 minus 1. Okay. x1 minus x2, 2 minus 4, y1 minus y2, 3 minus 4. Minus 2 whole square, 2 whole square, 4, 4. Minus 2 times, minus 2 times plus 2 times 4, root 8. Okay. We we can do like this. Factor of 2, factor of 8, 2, 2, 2, 2 prime factor. So 2 root 2. Now we take another question, that is question number 3 from 1. A comma B, another one, minus A comma minus B. Okay, so P AB minus A minus B. So using distance formula, A minus minus A x1 A minus x2 minus A in bracket, B minus minus B, A plus A whole square, B plus B whole square, twice A whole square, twice B whole square, 4A square, 4B square, 4 common, remove the root from 4, 2, A square plus B square under root. So 2 root A square plus B square. This way we find distance between the 2 points using distance formula. So I hope you understood. You see the question, how to solve, see the video. I hope you understood. Next video we discuss question number 2, 3, 4. These are we discuss in next video. Okay, thank you.